Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark from Loose Screws Reviews, back giving another video. And today I'm being unboxing and doing a review on another portable power bank. But you know how we do. Before we get started, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Alright? Now that and tell a friend about the channel. You know, subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Alright, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a portable power bank. And this portable power bank, you can get it on Amazon for $23.99 with additional 5% off. Solar power bank. Yeah, solar power bank for like $23.99, 5% off, so bring down a little bit. So let's get to it. Let me tell you some specs on it. This is a solar charger, solar power bank, 10,000 mile portable charger. You can charge your cell phones. It's got a flashlight on and the compass. This is great for like camping, you know, outdoor summer activities. Clip to your backpack and all that good stuff. Charges up pretty much any devices you pretty much got, you know, like for cell phones, tablets, and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box. Quick unboxing. Let's get this bad boy out of the box. Unbox this plain little branded from a company called STOON off Amazon. Nothing really on the box. It's just showing you the things that it could power up on there. So you can pause this and read it for yourself. Telling you little specs on here. No memory effects. Oh, it says it has quick charge, but we'll see that in a minute. High capacity, 72 hours, safety test, and all that good stuff. So let's get this bad boy out of the box. See what we got here. Oh, you can see the green line on you can see that it's charging from the light of the studios. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box. See what we got. We got the charger itself. You throw that to the side, and you got your little instructions, and you throw it inside a little happy card, little thank you card, and it's telling you information about the company or whatever. Contact them and all this good stuff. Congratulations. Just throw that aside. See what else we got in the box. See if we can get this out of the box without going nuts on here. Okay. Ain't nothing else in the box. Toss the box to the side. We got micro USB, you know, so for the price, you know, everybody always complain about not having USB-C, but some of these low prices you really can't complain too much, but all these other devices will be catching up soon. But anyway, let's get back to the product. All right. Got the nice little charging cord on here. Let's go ahead and unravel this charging cord. Not too, a little short one, not a real long one, but a little short one. See this right here? A little short one. So, and here's the charger itself. This is the solar panel on the outside, which we leave out in the sun to go ahead and charge up the device. Nice little rubber, rugged case, hard plastic case. So I can imagine you ain't got to worry about getting wet. You out camping or something like that. You're going fishing. You're not really worried about getting water splashed on it because it's pretty solid. Has a little cover to cover up your ports. Got your two USB ports on there, the micro USB-C, where you go ahead and charge that right here. Let's cover the cord, cover that up, and as it says USB in big letters right there. And the arrows telling you how to open it up and close it. Pretty simple. And it's got your LEDs on here telling you how much juice you have left, and that green light right here. You see that green light right here? That's letting you know that it's actually charging from the light, from the light of the sun, all that good stuff. And it's tell you the blue LEDs letting you know how much juice you got and everything. So, and it has a nice little carabiner right here clip, so you can clip it to your backpack or your pants or whatever you want to clip it to. And you have a compass right here, so if you're out there, out in the woods, for your outdoor activities, you're out there camping and all that good stuff, and for you guys out there, the military, you out there in the field, you know what I'm saying, you got your little compass and all that good stuff right here. This would be a good product for, if you're out there, on a soldier, you out there going to the field, you need a power bank. This is pretty. This is one of them chargers you need right here. And it has flashlights. You got two flashlights right here, and the bottom's really nothing right here on the bottom. It's like a rugged case. And let's see, where's the button to turn to activate the flashlight? Okay, you have your power button right here to turn it off and on. Let's click that. So in order to control the flashlight, Alright, so you gotta let me see, the controller flashlight, one long click to turn it on, another click, 2 clicks to make it do the flash of SOS, and do another one on there, so the SOS. So, and one long click turn off. So one long click turn on, one click for SOS, and an emergency strobe. You got emergency strobe, 3 clicks for emergency strobe. So let me cut it off. Let me cut it off again. Let me cut it back on. The second click is for SOS. Third click is for strobe, emergency strobe, and the last click is to cut it off. So that's pretty neat feature. You got your strobe, you got not only you got a flashlight and it's solar charging. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's not going to charge as fast as you would having plugged up, but you got a you get a power bank with 10,000 mAh battery, charge up your devices, and you get a flashlight that comes with it, solar charging. So you're out somewhere and you really can't charge, leave it outside all day, out there camping and letting it just sit out in the sun. Charge up the device, top it off a little bit, and you got your flashlight, and you got your emergency strobe on there. You got your SOS if you're stranded or whatever. You got emergency strobe for emergencies or whatever. That's pretty decent. And you get lost out there, out in the woods, camping and fishing, whatever. You got your a compass, good to go. Let's see. Matter of fact, let me see how it charges up a device. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my own cable to charge up my old dirty Note 8. Yeah, I know my phone is the screen all jacked up, whatever. Hey, we'll be upgrading soon. So anyway, let's go ahead and plug it up. Watch the phone. Bam, charging. Now I don't see fast charge on here, as you can see here. Let me wipe off the screen a little bit. It doesn't say fast charging on here. It just says regular charging. So let me try the other port and see if that makes a difference. Nope, don't see a fast charging. This is a fast charging cord, and it's not fast charging. You see it on here? It says it's charging, but it's not fast charging. So that might have been a typo, but it's not fast charging. But it'll do the trick. 10,000 mAh, around the juice. You out there, camping, fishing. You a soldier, you out in the field. Bam, this is a pretty decent device. All right, that's been a quick review and unboxing of a 10,000 mAh solar portable bank, portable power bank. With a solar charge feature on it. Nice little carabiner clip from a company called STOON. You find it, like I say, find it on Amazon for $23.99, 5% off. So look about 23, 24 bucks or whatever. So if you need one of those in the summertime outside for your summertime activities, doing a lot of outing, whatever, this would be the way to go. Get free power from the sun. You know what I'm saying? Pretty decent, and you got a flashlight. So you can't beat it. Alright, this has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Fuse. And if you haven't already, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, subscribe. Appreciate your time watching the video. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. And the message for today is to go on back on that right there. Treat people how you want to be treated, because a lot of times, if you treat somebody wrong, trust me, it'll come right back on to you, back to you, and a lot of times it'll come back to you worse than what you did to somebody else. So, treat people how you want to be treated, because when you do people wrong, it comes back to you, and it comes back to you worse. All right. So that's the message for today. All right. This has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace.